Hello, Lucie.
Hello, teacher.
Hi, how are you today?
I am good.
Okay, you're welcome to the lesson. Did you go out today,
No,
Lucie? Oh, okay. So what have you been doing? What did you do?
I am go to sleep.
Okay, you say I slept today. Is it
I slept today.
okay in the afternoon, right? What time is it now?
Yeah.
Okay, I see. All right, you're welcome to the lesson. Lucy, let's wait for Vinson just for 1 minute, okay? Let's wait for him.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Hmm. Right, so we have to start the lesson now. Okay, so in our last class, we stopped at page 77. So we are going to continue with this. Don't let me. Okay. All right, so we are going to learn how to use this question, where was? Where was? Okay, Lucy. So for example, before, this is what was on the table before, but now, after, there is nothing on the table. Okay, so now we are
Okay.
going to ask the question, for example, where was the father? Where was the father? So before, the father was on the table. This is before and this is after. Okay,
Okay.
good. So now I'm going to ask you the question. So, number one, tell me, where was the father?
Is on the table.
No, it was. It was on the table. Okay, this is before and this is after. Okay,
Okay.
okay, so it's no longer on the table. Look at it here. Look at the table now. This is the table now. But before, this is how the table looks like. So now there is nothing on the table. So if I ask where was the father, your answer should be it was. past tense because it's no longer on the table now. You say it was on the table.
Okay.
Okay? Good.
Okay.
All right, so number 2, where was the lunchbox?
It has on the table.
It was. Okay?
It
It was.
it was.
Good. It was on the table. Again,
It was on
on the
on the
table.
table.
Good. Okay. All right. Then number 3, tell me where was the water bottle?
It has on the table.
No, not has. It was. Past tense
It
of
was.
is was. Okay. Look at this. Is was, not is. You say was. Past tense. Then if it's present tense, you say is. For example, let's say um this is a pen. Can you look at me, Lucy? Okay, so this is my pen. Now, look at my hand. The pen is on my hand. Is because it's on my hand now. So you say the pen is. Okay, good. So
Okay.
now, if I ask you where was the pen?
Oh.
Where was the pen? Because it's no longer in my hand. So you say it was, not is
It
again,
was
on my hand.
on my hand.
Good. So now, for another example, let's say that okay, let's ask again. Let me see. Number 4, where was the dictionary? Where was the dictionary?
It was on the table.
Correct. It was on the table. Nice one. Okay. Then, where was the calculator?
It was on the table.
Good. It was on the table. Okay, where is the stapler?
It was on the table.
Nice one. Good. Okay, that's correct. Excuse me. All right, so now let's listen to the audio in part D. Listen carefully to the audio. Okay. Okay.
Page 73. D. Listen,
Can you hear the sound? Lucie?
Yes.
Okay.
ask, and answer. Then practice.
What was on the table?
A folder was on the table. 1,
What was on the table? A folder was on the table.
2,
What was on the sofa?
A dictionary was on the sofa.
3,
What was on the bookshelf?
A water bottle was on the bookshelf.
4,
What was on the chair?
A lunchbox was on the chair.
5,
What was on the desk?
A stapler was on the desk.
6,
What was on the computer? A calculator was on the computer.
Page 73. D.
Okay, that is all for the audio. So now we are going to practice. Okay,
Okay.
good. So now I'm going to ask you the question. Remember, this, the first picture is before. Okay, this first picture is before. So now, what was, okay, the dictionary was on the sofa, the folder, the lunchbox, stapler, calculator, and water bottle. So now let's ask the question after. Look at this. There is no longer um, dictionary on the sofa. So now, question one, what was on the table? What was on the table?
Uh, is has uh, um on the table.
No. Okay, look at picture one. Before, that was a folder on the table. Okay, so you say folder was on the table. A folder was on the table, not has. Okay, past tense of is was. Okay,
Okay.
good. So this is before. Before you can say folder is on the table, dictionary is on the sofa. But after that is past tense, you're going to use was, no longer is. Okay, Lucy. Hello, Lucy. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so let's ask one more time again. Number one, what was on the table? What was on the table?
It the for
Yeah, go on.
the
Okay, okay. Folder was on the table. Look at this. A folder was on the table. A folder was on the table. Okay,
Okay.
good. Okay, then number two, what was on the sofa? What was on the sofa?
The dictionary dictionary uh, was on the sofa.
Good, you tried, but this is pronounced as dictionary. Can you say that again? Dictionary.
Yes. Dictionary.
Again.
Dictionary.
Okay, so let's write it down. You say um a dictionary. mm, A dictionary was on the sofa. Okay, can you say that? A dictionary was on the sofa.
Yeah.
A dictionary was on the sofa.
The dictionary was on the sofa.
Good. A dictionary was on the sofa, not D.
Dictionary.
A dictionary was on the sofa.
Okay. The dictionary
A.
was
A dictionary.
a
A dictionary
dictionary
was.
was on the sofa.
That's my girl. Nice one. Okay. All right. So let's move down to number three. What was on the bookshelf? What was on the bookshelf?
is is a water park. A water park, but T was on the bookshelf.
That's my goal. Nice word. Okay, let's write it down. You say it. What's about to? What's about to was on the bookshelf.
On
What about to was on the bookshelf. Nice one. Okay, then number 4. What was on the chair? What was on the chair?
a lunchbox was on the chair.
Good. A lunchbox was on the chair. Nice one, Lucy. Okay. Then number 5. What was on the desk? What was on the desk?
The uh, a scape a scape was on the desk.
Okay. A stapler. Can you say that? A stapler.
A
Stapler
stapler
was on the desk.
was on the desk.
Good. Okay. All right. Then number 6. What was on the computer? What was on the
A
computer?
a cambulance
Again?
uh,
Try.
uh, ca- ca-
Okay. Look at the word here.
cambulance
Try again. Look at the word. Okay. Calculator.
calculator.
Good. So you say, what was on the
A
computer?
a calculator was on the computer.
Nice one. Okay, so now we are going to learn how to pronounce this word one more time again. Okay, let's learn how
Okay.
to pronounce each word here. Okay, Lucy, so pronounce this word for me. Pronounce this
From
word
there.
for me. Again?
From there.
No. Folder. Folder.
Father.
Again?
Father.
Nice one. Okay, then number 2 we have
Lunchbox.
good. Lunchbox. Do you have a lunchbox?
Now.
Okay. All right. Then number 3.
Water bottle.
Good. Do you have a water bottle?
Yes,
Okay. You say yes, I have. Yes, I have.
I have.
Good. Okay. Then next, number 4.
Take away.
Again.
Take away.
No. Dictionary.
Dictionary.
Again.
Dictionary.
Good. Again.
Dictionary.
Nice one. Okay, then number 5.
Ca- ca-
Calculator.
calculator.
Again.
Calculator.
Good. Calculator. Okay. Then this.
Skate.
No. Try again.
Skate.
Stapler. Stapler.
Stapler.
Again.
Stapler.
Again.
Stapler.
Good. Okay, one more time again. I'm going to pronounce the word one after the other, then you do so. Folder,
Folder.
lunchbox,
Lunchbox.
water bottle.
Water bottle. Di- dic-
Don't be shy.
Dictionary.
You're getting there. Again, dictionary.
Dictionary.
Again,
Dictionary.
good. Number 5,
Calculator.
calculator. Good. Okay. Number 6.
Table.
Oh, stapler, stapler.
Stapler.
Good. So this last one, I want you to pronounce it very well, okay? Folder, lunchbox, water bottle, dictionary, calculator, stapler. So one to go, number 1. Lucie.
Folder.
Folder, folder.
Folder.
Okay, number 2.
Lunchbox.
Number 3.
Water bottle.
Okay, number 4.
Di- Dictionary.
That's good. Dictionary. Nice one. Okay. Number 5.
Calculator.
Good. Number 6.
Scape.
Stapler.
Stapler.
Stapler. Again.
Stapler.
Again.
Stapler.
Okay. All right. Nice one. Okay. All right. So let's move to the next page. Okay. So now let's look at the art supplies. Art supplies. Okay, so let's learn how to pronounce this word, starting with number 1. Lucy, read this.
Magazine.
You tried. Again.
Magazine.
Magazine. Magazine. Can you say that? Magazine.
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 Good. Zine. Magazine.
Magazine.
Zine. Magazine.
Magazine.
Good. All right, then number 2.
Boston.
Good. Poster. Okay,
Poster. Okay.
correct. Then number 3.
Ben, 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 pencil skating.
Okay, this is pencil sharpener.
Pencil sharpener.
Again,
Pencil sharpener.
good. Okay, the number 4.
Paul, Wilson.
No, paintbrush. Paintbrush.
Play long.
No,
Pause.
paint.
Paint.
Paintbrush.
Paint. Rose.
Paintbrush.
Paint. Rose.
Good. Paintbrush. They use it to paint or draw something. Okay. Then we have number 5.
Glue. Glue stick.
Good. Glue stick. Okay. Then number 6.
Uh, stick with
Scissors.
skating.
Scissors.
Scissor.
Scissors. Good. Oh,
Scissor.
good. So one more time. Let's pronounce it again. Number 1.
Magazine.
Magazine. Magazine.
Magazine.
Good. Okay. The number 2.
Uh, Ponte.
What?
What's that?
Good. Poster. Lucy. Okay. Then number 3.
Pencil sharpener.
Correct. Okay. Then number 4.
Paint. Pencil pencil brush.
Paintbrush.
Paintbrush.
Paintbrush. Again.
Paintbrush.
Good. Okay. The number 5.
Blue. Blue stick.
Good. Glue stick. Again. Glue
Blue
stick.
stick.
Good. The number 6.
Skipper.
No. Scissors.
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 No. Scissors.
Scissors.
Good. Okay, let's pronounce number 4 again. Number 4.
Pancake.
Paintbrush.
Paintbrush.
Paintbrush. Paintbrush.
Paintbrush.
Good. Nice one, Lucy. You did an amazing job today. And it's so good to see you. Okay, so we are going to end the lesson now. See you next Sunday, okay?
Okay.
Bye-bye.